Welcome back, YouTubers. So this morning I showed you guys how easy it was to trim back the dried foam, and I had some pockets that were not as level as I'd like it. So this is pretty simple. Just take the foam and add it back to that spot there, and then trim it back. All the sections that you didn't see or you didn't see, let it dry. So tomorrow when this is all dry, I have a little bit of spots here, a little bit of spots on the passenger side, and actually the tail, that piece right there too, the corner, right? So I had a little low spot there. So now I'm going to fill that in, let it dry. I'm going to trim that down. I'm going to lightly sand it. You don't want to sand it too aggressive because it'll start to peel apart. So get it close, light sand, and you want it, just like Bondo. You want to get it close and low, and then I'm going to take the Bondo hair and start the process. I'll take you through that. This is a lot of fun, and Caleb's got some rockers that we're going to do over there too, but we're going to do that another day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.